Ever wish you could do a freestanding handstand? Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I always wanted to, but I've never really practiced, so I definitely can't show you how. But a fellow American Ninja Warrior and aerialist, Eliannah, agreed to share her 6-day free handstanding tutorial. So make sure you follow her on IG at Eliannah. All right, here we go. Day 5, fun video today. 2 different handstand challenges, one that I attempted and another much more impressive one from Eliannah. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Okay, there's one. Slippery. Oh shit, oh shit. Ah! Come on. Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay.
Day 5 in handstands. Today I'm doing a challenge that was given to me, press handstand at home. So let's see if I still got it.
If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results. And the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.